Hi guys, welcome back. Yesterday I was telling you people in my trailer that there are a few ways in which a student can help himself or herself, and that's what I'm going to talk to you guys about. So, do you guys know one thing? When a student is in the class, the first and the foremost thing which we want them to do is dedicate themselves. Okay, if we are talking of a student, dedicate himself or herself. When we are talking about the whole class, it's all about a complete dedication, right? So that's what is expected. But what happens is basically when a teacher is teaching, a few of the students will be talking, a few of the students will probably be ending up making a few aeroplanes or probably some flights, and then they will be probably making a caricature of the teacher in front of them, okay? Or for that matter, below the table, what will happen is the box gets opened and it starts. Or the worst thing which happens is they think of, यार बेल कब बजेगा, छुट्टी कब होगी, ब्रेक, कैंटीन में मिलते हैं, आज पार्टी मनाएंगे, तू 20 रुपीज़ दे देना, मैं 10 रुपीज़ दूंगा, मिलकर आज इतने ही खरीदेंगे, ठीक है? कैंटीन अंकल को बोल देंगे ऐसा होगा वैसा होगा. और इवन इफ दे कांट टॉक, व्हाट हैपेंस? Pretend that you are listening and then scribble something, pass it on. बेचारे टीचर को तो यही लगना है ना कि लाइक स्टूडेंट सुन रहा है. Okay, they will be registering it in their brains that yes, everybody is attentive in the class. And best of the fact is what guys, the students who are in the front rows, that is the toppers or probably one of those eager contenders to become the best, they will keep on answering the questions, and these guys would be probably thinking और आंसर दे, हम तो खुश हैं, सेफ है यहाँ पे, right? So this continues. That's something like the best part of a student life. At the end of the study cycle or probably the stage post graduation or somewhere, they would be thinking, do you know what we used to do? We used to sit in the last bench, the teacher used to teach us, we used to eat tiffins, or probably we used to do this, that, blah blah, ये सारी चीज़ें चलती थी, है ना? So memories. But there's one thing guys you must remember, and what's that? Whatever you do, it's true, it's evident that the backbenchers are the smartest of the lot, and they end up becoming the managers who will recruit the toppers. मैक्सिमम केसेस में होता है. इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि लाइक आप बैक बेंचर्स बनो और छिछोरे बनो. दैट्स नॉट व्हाट वी विल आस्क यू टू बिकम, राइट? बट इफ यू आर टॉल, obviously the back bench would be your place. Anyway, so all these things apart, होता क्या है, क्लासेस हो गई, पीटीएम का आ गया टाइम, पेरेंट्स आ जाएंगे, कहेंगे कि नहीं मेरे बच्चे पढ़ नहीं पा रहे, दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द टीचर इज सेइंग, दे आर नॉट एबल टू गेट द सेम लेवल ऑफ अटेंशन विच द स्टूडेंट्स इन द फर्स्ट फ्यू बेंचेस आर गेटिंग. उनको पहले बेंच में बिठा दो. टीचर्स व्हाट दे विल से, सर मैम ये रिकॉर्ड देखिए आपके बच्चे का, इसमें कम मार्क्स आ गए, उसमें कम मार्क्स आ गए, ये सुन नहीं रहे, वो कर नहीं रहे, फलाना नहीं हो रहा, फलाना नहीं हो रहा. व्हाट विल द पेरेंट्स से? मैम जो भी है, it's not our responsibility, it's not our burden, ये आपका काम है, you will have to do this. Okay, everything comes back to the teacher. So agreed, everything is fine my dear students, everything is fine. हमारी responsibility है as a teacher, हमें काम करना है, लेकिन आपको करना क्या है? Other than having tiffin or probably sharing toffees, candy bars and everything with your friends, you also have to be a very active listener, right? Just the way Amir Khan does it in that Three Idiots song. all is well, right? So the same way, the moment you listen to what the teacher says, all is well. So until and unless you do this, you will not be able to understand what the teacher is trying to tell. Until and unless you will listen, until and unless you allow your ears to listen what the teacher is trying to explain, you will not understand the concept ever. वो चाहे स्कूल हो, कॉलेज हो, कहीं पे भी हो, right? So be a good listener. Listening helps you to overcome maximum issues or doubts or problems, and it will also help you to retrieve whatever the teacher has taught when you open the book and read the lines again. ठीक है ना, वो कनेक्टिविटी बन जाती है, क्योंकि वो स्पार्क प्लग है यहाँ पे. बाइक आप जब स्टार्ट करते हो या फिर कार स्टार्ट करते हो तो क्या होता है पता है कि लाइक देयर इज अ स्पार्क प्लग विच रिसीव्स द स्पार्क एंड देन it ignites the flame and then the vehicle starts. Okay, the same way, the moment we listen very carefully, something gets stored over here. It's there, it's always there, and by the time we go home and after relaxing, after having our tiffins, lunch, dinner, whatsoever you call it as, उसके बाद जब आप पढ़ने के लिए बैठते हो ताज़े मन से, and then ओपन करते हो किताब, सपोज इफ यू डू दैट एट होम, ओके, कि चलो आज देखते हैं कि टीचर ने क्या पढ़ाया, एंड आपने वो पेज ओपन किया, पढ़ना शुरू किया, इफ इट्स अ थियरी, राइट? So you will feel the whole classroom starts opening up in front of you. The teacher, the notes, or probably the points which he or she has talked about or referred to, and then you will be able to connect. Okay, fine. The teacher taught us in this manner. She was or he was referring to this particular example, और ये point ऐसे है. So चलो, let us write down. तो क्या होगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 10-15 मिनट में आपको वो कंप्लीट पिक्चर क्लियर हो जाता है. ओके, दिस इज द पावर ऑफ लिसनिंग. यू नीड टू बी अ रियल गुड लिसनर टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द टीचर टीचेस यू. सो until and unless you are a listener, until and unless you develop this particular practice of listening to your teacher's words or the concepts which they teach, you will not be able to proceed to the next levels. Are we getting it? So what are those next levels? I'll discuss with you in my next video. It's a series once again for the students, exclusively for the students at any level whatsoever, right? So until my next video, it's a bye. See you soon.